Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the CSGO sensitivity bug. This is a new bug that comes up on CSGO. Many players reported this, even pro players I saw on Twitter. So this is a pretty annoying one because while gaming, maybe FACEIT or whatever game mode you're playing, suddenly your mouse sensitivity drops down and you cannot move your mouse, and usually you have to restart the game to fix it. But in this video I'm going to show you two things that can help you with this error. First of all, we should disable Steam Beta. So Steam Beta, it's kind of untested, comes up with a lot of bugs. So to do that, we're just going to go to Steam and then click on Settings. Now in the Account tab where it says Beta Participation, make sure you are not participating. If you are, just click on Change and select from beta participation none, opt out of all beta programs, and then click on OK and OK. And now the second step that you should try is to disable the Steam overlay. Disabling the Steam overlay has helped a lot of users fixing this issue, so I'm hoping that will help you also. Again, go to Steam Settings, go to the in-game section and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game, and then click on OK. Of course, maybe you're using the Steam overlay, but for now, just disable it so you won't get this error while playing. And well, when Steam will launch an update or something like that, that will fix this bug, or CSGO, I don't know, we can activate it later. So this was the video for today. I'm hoping that it helped you. I've had the error myself. I had friends that had it, so I'm hoping that you managed to fix it by either opting out of the Steam Beta or disabling the Steam overlay. If the video was useful, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Until next time, have a nice day.